and we will have a regular interaction and evaluation for each and every student who are attending the session on regular basis. So I hope this process is clear to you all. Several times we
Yes,
have
sir.
discussed. Okay. So now we will take one by one. What is problem? How we will go about it? How do the review of literature? How to go about it? How to formulate the hypothesis? What are the different types of hypothesis? Then design, data, analyzing data, interpretation, and reporting. Am I right? These
Yes, sir.
are the heart of entire research. And these are the skeleton. Okay. You'll compare with the human body. These are the skeleton, these are the heart. अगर ये नहीं रहेगा तो पूरा रिसर्च का कोई मीनिंग नहीं है. So these are very integral part, very important part, and majority of the things, majority of the weightage is for this aspect, and that is what is given. You go to see your syllabus, unit 3, you'll find maximum aspect is covered under unit 3. चेक कर लो आपका, बहुत important है. And unit 4 is this. Okay. So these two are very, very integral and important. Now tell me from, I mean, what exactly your perception about research problem? Let us go step one. I wanted to hear from you all. You can quote previous example, you can quote previous videos, what we have referred to, so on and so forth. No problem. You have seen different kind of videos, in earlier session. Okay, say for example, video related to how the Indian banking has been manipulated or misguided, and which are the losses which is there now. It is will be burden for the upcoming generation. You have seen how the farmers have been exploited. Am I right or not? You have
Yes,
seen,
sir.
uh, if I'll take the example of that small boy, Mehta, or if we can take the example of Oyo that CEO, Ritesh Agrawal. So everything started with one or other problem. Agreed or not? Then they did the research.
Yes.
They have started, working on it. Okay. They took the scientific methodology. So any research ka step one is regarding problem. Very important, very integral. Okay. What is a research problem? Research problem means a question or issue to be examined. Like we had a problem of attendance. Student never use. I mean, there were lack of attendance. Am I right? I'm taking you one by one issues, and similarly, I want from you all that you can come up with your problems, some social problems, which we can take it up as a case study, and we can proceed further. We can have a discussion, deliberation during lecture. So let me take the example of the commerce students' attendance or low attendance of commerce students. Okay, and this is an issue. In fact, in our college, it is very, very well organized. I mean, we take appropriate steps. So it is very logical and very connected to you all. You are a part of it. Can you tell me, is it a problem for you or not? Right, today also you see in SYBAP C&D 3 we have 80 students. Out of them, how many of them they are present? Not even 50%. Only 36 are present. Are you getting me or not?
Yes, sir.
Is it a problem or not?
Yes, sir. It is a problem.
So, so what are the causes for it? So whenever we define any problem, so that is what one problem. Let us do the research on it. Okay, like you have seen, there was a problem of a farmer not to be paid. He has done so many examples. He has given so many different angle of it. You know, the person who had discussed about MSP, why it has been increased only to the extent of 19%, whereas other, if we will take it, their payment has been increased by more than 100%, 120, 117, 100, 50%, 180% in some cases. So similarly, if it is a problem, okay, can you tell me the reason why the student is not attending? So we'll go one by one step. So why we are telling? Because we did certain review of literature. We have seen the attendance of previous year. Okay, I am finding the attendance in engineering college. I have compared with that. So that can be, these problems can be identified by different ways and means. Okay, so I will take my case study. Uh, Study on lower lower attendance and every now and then I will refer the same. Now you try to compare your own study pattern from school days till now. Was it the same when you were there in fifth standard?
Yes, sir.
वहां भी बच्चे नहीं आते थे?
वहाँ तो सर रेगुलर आते थे सब. And
So
it
now
was bit early,
compare,
like it was the school timing was like on 7 a.m. at morning.
and I want not only one student should reply and revert, right? I told you I want everyone should participate, like what we had in regular college. Okay, merely keeping your video on is not going to serve my purpose. So you have seen in school, you have seen in junior college. Okay, so thereby we found that the attendance percentage was higher as compared to degree. Okay, so this is a
Yeah.
one problem. We will take one by one every aspect of it. So there is a problem in question or issue to be examined. We want to examine that. Research problem refers to some difficulties need which a researcher experience in context of their theoretical and practical situation and wants to obtain the solution for the same time. Okay, you must have seen that we came up with appreciation. Now today onwards there will be message to your parents also that your ward is in defaulter list, which you used to get earlier after a month or after 3 months or after end of semester when you were supposed to debar. So these are the measures. So I hope now the fundamental of research problem is clear to you all.
Yes, sir.
Shubham, I want the answer from all. बाकी
Okay, sir.
बच्चे
Okay.
बैठने नहीं चाहिए. I want their participation as well in my lecture. Okay. Now, can you tell me how we know that what to do to know that we have research problem? What are the different ways through which you can get the research problem? From where you can get feedback? Very correct.
Interaction.
Interaction, observation, review. Superb. Very good. I want this kind. And rather than writing, if you can speak, that also will solve my purpose. Okay. Now let us see. Apart
Market
from
survey.
sorry,
compare
yes, बोलते जाओ.
comparison between offline and online lectures.
This is observation, no? He has written. You are observing, no? What was the situation in offline? What is the situation in online? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
these are the different forms of research problem. There might be consumer or customer complaint, conversation with company's employee, observation of inappropriate behavior, right? So there are different, and apart from this, even you can put your answer which you have stated, observation, review of literature, you know, comparison, so on and so forth. Okay. So the
Yes, sir.
first step is to define the problem, identify and select the problem, formulation of problem. I think we have done this part.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what are the sources? It is more or less same what we had, how to know and sources. More or less it will remain same. Sources of problem. Can I have your answers, please? Sources of problem. So like today I had certain discussion. Somewhere you have seen some video. Somewhere you will read something. Yes or no? Somewhere you can observe something. Somewhere you can experience something. Somewhere you can uh, compare something. Yes or no? That will specify there is a problem. Okay, like video quality or picture quality of iPhone with Vivo. So then we can compare and we can get here it is not better, analysis, yes, etc. etc. So the sources of problems are reading, academic experience, daily experience, exploring the field situation, consultancy, brainstorming, research, institution. Beyond this, you can also write review of literature, observation, comparison, so many things what you have stated with your own. Just now you told to me. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So these are called sources of problem. Next, criteria of selection. How to select these problems. Okay, whether it is personal problem due to internal or some external causes. Okay, like I told you regarding problem of attendance. Now being vice principal, I'm finding in BCom now my boundaries is very huge. So that not it is not only restricted to BAP. I am searching overall entire commerce. So then, of course, it is my personal interest, it's institutional interest. I'm finding the attendance of few classes very poor. So it is my interest area also. I'm competent enough to find out. Okay, I am giving time and I'm taking corrective measures also. So that will come what kind of steps I have taken. Or there is external factor, reachability, importance, urgency, novelty of problems. Certain problems are very unique, very unique. Okay, and that will give you certain innovation. वहां से कुछ ना कुछ नया आती ही जाता है. Okay, feasibility, facility, usefulness, social relevance. If your problem do not have social relevance, then it has no meaning. It should be for society at large. Okay, definition I have already stated to you all. Okay, process, general understanding, understanding the nature of problem, available literature, developing the idea through discussion. Now, what are the criteria for good research problem? What are the criteria? And again, last lecture I have given you how the things are there in the textbook also. So there is no much difference, and you can start making your own notes. Today, if someone has got me the notes, they can show me, and evaluation will be done, and I will give them the marks. So your research problem should be clear. There is not any ambiguity. Empirical testing to be possible. Variables should be verifiable. Is there interesting, novel, original, and guidance is required. That is why this is only the course where you required a research guide. Any kind of research you do, you required always a research guide. I'll tell you one very good example of my own student. I wanted to put in front of you, which will make your understanding clear. See, that is one study which one of my MPhil student has done this year. A study on investors' behavior towards mutual fund investment with reference to Vasai Virar City. So when you are doing any kind of research, this is just a case study I'm telling you, and literally all your study should go with this format only. Okay. So first and foremost, you have to make the objective why you are doing this study, to know the awareness about, and it should relate to your title of a study, title of your research problem. Okay. So first, to know their behavior, it is very important that we should know the awareness. How many of you are aware about mutual fund? Tell me in this entire class. So I am very difficult to get any answer from you all. Then just consider it as case study. Huh? Then you have to do the study of investors' behavior in investment, in what different way they are doing, as well as very specific to mutual fund, and as well as study of investors' pattern, which kind of mutual fund they are preferring. Okay. Then with that you can create the relationship that is known as hypothesis. What is the first hypothesis the researcher has stated? The first hypothesis goes like this: there is no significant relationship between education qualification of investors and the awareness towards mutual fund investment. Okay, that is null hypothesis. And there is a significant relationship that is alternative. Likewise, there were three hypotheses. Then he had done all the questionnaire. Which questionnaire is, assisting which hypothesis, that has been specified, and then the analysis starts. So it's very important that when we do the and identifying the problem, the thing should be very clear. There should be variables. It should be interesting, etc., etc. What are the defining our problem and resulting clear cut research objectives? Symptoms, detection, analysis, problem definition, and research objective. Now, I hope you must be understanding the concept of objective. Just now, I have given you one example of it. And these are the different options related to this. Next lecture will start with the review of literature, but again I will go back to my own question which we have started today morning. That was, a study. This is what I have created. You can make your own. And if I will do the process of it, if I'll take to the process of it, Okay, this I have already defined. There is a problem. I will do the review. I have done lot of review and I'm finding degree attendance is not as good as the school attendance and so on and so forth. Or the engineering college attendance, particularly in commerce. Then I will formulate hypothesis. What are the reasons why these attendance are differing? What are the causes? And then I will create the attitude of the student who are in science and uh, commerce is significantly different, and there is no relationship. There is no significant relationship. There is significant relationship. And then I will take the sample and I am finally going to conclude certain results based on that sample. What kind of feedback I'm getting. Understanding or not? So now let that we will go in depth and we will take it as case study and we will definitely going to refer in each and every lecture. But tell me from your point of view, what are the causes why they are not attending? Basic causes.
Hello.
Yeah.
Uh, Students don't take lectures seriously, I guess.
Okay. Why they are not taking serious?
Uh, their life has been easy
Might they
going.
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah. Go on, go on, go on.
Shubham, please.
Shubham.
might they are not finding might yeah sir, might they are not finding it interesting.
Then why they have
Might they are
opted
not
for
finding
this
the
course?
lectures are interesting.
Because these are specialized course, na? After
Yeah
having
sir.
certain discussion. So again, you must have seen the previous two videos related to banking system, related to agriculture. You got surprised. Arey, we never thought of it. We never compare
Yeah
with
sir.
DA. We never compare with uniform allowance. We never compare. I mean, I was this was surprising for me. In other field, there was hike of
Sir,
almost 150 to 100%, but there only 19%. And they cannot take, even if the government want, they cannot take because even poor people want those food grains. तो कार पे कर सकते हो, हवाई जहाज पे कर सकते हो, गरीब खाएगा कैसे अगर अनाज का भाव ही डबल हो जाएगा, 200 टाइम्स बढ़ जाएगा. So there is a logic also. Yes, Manisha.
according to me, what I think is we are in very comfort zone. When we go to college, we are a little bit out of our comfort zone. That's why we are forced to study. Here we are in sitting in home, someone sleeping, someone in bed. So we are in our comfort zone, and I think this is creating the lethargic attitude that we face कि आज नहीं तो कल अटेंड कर ही लेंगे, एक दिन का लेक्चर मिस होगा तो कुछ नहीं होता. I think that's my point of view because sometimes I also do this. So I can say.
These were your perception. Now I am telling you my observation and the logic, reasoning, scientific method. If a student is doing BE, Bachelor of Engineering, he is certified to start their profession. If a person, as a engineer, if a student is doing Bachelor of Architect, is he is professionally qualified and he can work as a professional, he can start his office. If a student has done MBBS, again bachelor program, he can start a practitioner of a doctorship. If a student has done LLB of 3 years, he can start as a practitioner of lawyer. Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
After BCom, can you start as a chartered accountant?
No.
This is the big difference. There, every courses has practical applicability. If you not do the MOOC code, if you not going to do the experiment surgery, you cannot be qualified. You cannot pass. You have seen the example in Munna Bhai MBBS. Very important. which is lacking in commerce education system. So student has to struggle. If they want to make their career professionally, he has to go out. Then how they can, do you expect that, and the degree is not giving any professional kind of, persona for them to start their own career. I found this is the biggest problem of commerce education. That is why student is attending here, and then they are doing simultaneously some other professional programs to make their professional career. I hope this is very interesting kind of observation and comment for you all, and this is eye opener for you all. Thank you very much. And I found many of you are finding this research methodology is very interesting. In days to come, it will be more interesting, provided you attend all the sessions.
Okay, sir.
But I want more participation from your end. Kindly study and come. Thank
Yes,
you
sir.
very much. Be at home, be safe, take care of yourself and your family members.